Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography P400e in Aruba Gold. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in January 2022. You have 21-inch diamond toned finish alloys, a powered tailgate which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, your mats are ready to go into the car. You have plenty of space for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. Going round and into the front, you have keyless entry, so I can tap here to lock the car and pull the handle to unlock the car as long as the key is nearby. Autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, but it's also really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. You also have a cooler compartment which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage with a few different settings to choose from, ensuring every journey is relaxing. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with My EV, which tells you how well charged the car is. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from. And you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving. Heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 3,402 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Autobiography. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.